Meaning of ground squirrel.
Ground squirrel.
Ground squirrel.
Ground squirrel.
Ground squirrel. Ground squirrel is a common name for a variety of small, burrowing rodents that belong to the scientific family Sciuridae. These squirrels are typically found in open, grassy habitats such as prairies and meadows, and are known for their distinctive habit of digging complex underground burrows. They have short, thick fur that can be gray, brown, or reddish in color, and are often marked with stripes or spots. Ground squirrels play an important role in many ecosystems as prey for larger animals, and can also be considered pests in certain agricultural settings.